Hello guys, my name is Rahul Lodi and today we are going to install Laravel. So how to install Laravel in our machine? So you have to install Composer in your machine and XAMPP server. So you have to check in your XAMPP server the PHP version is greater than 7, and if Composer have not installed in your PC, so that is the link where we can download Composer and install our PC. So I will provide you that link in description. So firstly you have to click this composer.setup.exe file. So that will install in your PC, and you have to just go to download. So here you can see this guys, a Composer setup have been downloaded. So now we have to install it. So you have to just click this and then run. Select install mode. Okay, and you have to just next, and here you have to choose your php.exe file where you have installed your XAMPP server. So I have already installed XAMPP server in my D directory, and here you can see this. I have already selected php.exe file from XAMPP PHP folder. So in my PC Composer already have installed, so no need to install me again. So but guys, you have to completely install it, and after that you have to check your Composer have installed or not. You have to just go to open, you have to just open cmd command prompt and run Composer. If you get this type of interface in your command prompt, so means Composer have been installed your PC. Now you have to install Laravel in your PC. So you can install Laravel anywhere in your PC. No need to install inside of htdocs folder like core PHP. So I am doing install it in D directory and write a command Composer create project, then Laravel /Laravel. This is the library name. Then you have to write your folder name like Laravel demo. Okay, then prepare this and just click the enter button. Now our package installation have been started, so it will take some time according to your net speed and your PC configuration. So now I'm doing to okay. So you can see this guys, our package installation have been started and it will take some time. Now I am doing pause this video. After installation I will resume this. So here you can see this guys, our installation has been done, and you can see this type of installations. Now we will go to our project folder, cd Laravel demo, and after inside this we will run this command php artisan serve for run our project. So it will automatically open in your default browser. If that will not open, so you have to just copy this link. So you have to just copy and paste your link in this browser, and here you can see this, guys, our Laravel project have been created successfully. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.